Hello students, in this video we'll learn how to check whether a given number is palindrome or not using a stack. I have taken one example here, that is n is the number and the number is 1221. I want to check whether it's a palindrome or not. Then how do we do that? Here I have a stack. Currently the stack is empty, meaning I am initializing the variable top to -1. If top is equal to -1, the stack is empty. Now what we do is, from this number we take the remainder by dividing this number by 10 and each of these digits we push to stack. Let's see what we are doing. So top is -1, I perform 1221 is my number, I perform mod of n with 10. The remainder of this will be 1. I push 1 to stack. Then top becomes 0. So when I push this, top will be holding the index 0. Now this is what is top. It is holding the index 0. Then I perform n is equal to n divided by 10. That is, I perform the operation n is equal to n divided by 10. It's an integer division. When we perform this operation, we get 1, 2, 2. I assign it to n. n is now 1, 2, 2. Find the remainder of this. Because I want the digits of this number, I am performing this operations. 1, 2, 2, mod 10 is 2. That is, it is this 2. I will push this 2 to stack. Now top is holding the index 1. Then again I perform 1, 2, 2 divided by 10. It is integer division. I get the quotient as 12. That is, I go on performing this as long as n is greater than 0. If n is greater than 0, I go on performing this operation. Now it is 12. Perform mod of this. I get the remainder as 2. Push this to stack. Then again perform 12 divided by 10, it is 1. 1 mod 10 is 1. Push 1 to stack. Now top is holding the index 3. Then perform n divided by 10, it becomes 0. Now we stop this operation. What actually we did here, the number n given is 1221. With these operations I could get the digits of this number and each of these digits I just pushed to this stack. Now what do we do? Again I perform the same operation. Then I pop and check whether the numbers are equal. If the remainder, whatever I get, is equal to the popped element, then we say that the number is a palindrome. We'll see that. Now again, n is 1221. What do we perform is the mod operation. 1221 mod 10, I get the remainder 1. Now pop from stack. I pop this element. When I pop it is 1, I compare the popped element with the remainder. That means this number may be a palindrome. So I have popped this element, I decrement top by 1, so top is now holding the index 2. Perform the same operation, divided by 10, that is 122. Perform the mod operation, you get a remainder 2. Now pop from stack. On top of stack we have 2. 2 is popped. Compare the popped element with the remainder. It is same. That means again the number may be a palindrome. So I have popped this. Now the top is the index 1. That is, at the index 1 we have the element 2. Again perform this operation. Divided by 10, it becomes 12. Perform mod. 12 mod 10 is 2. Pop from stack. I am popping 2, that is the popped element is equal to the remainder, the number may be a palindrome. So I have popped this. So now on top of stack I have only 1. Then again perform this operation. 12 divided by 10 is 1. Remainder is also 1, that is 1 mod 10 is 1. Pop from stack. Pop from stack, I have popped the element. Top is equal to -1. So pop from stack and compare, the numbers are same. Divide this again by 10. 1 divided by 10 is 0. At this stage, check if the top is equal to -1. If top is equal to -1, meaning the stack is empty, that means we found the remainder, that is we found the digits of this number and compared it with all the elements by popping it. All the elements matched, that means we have popped all the elements. Top is -1. So if top is -1, the number n given is a palindrome. Now let us take the example of another number which is not a palindrome and let's see how it works. The number I have taken now is 1231, that is 1231. Let's perform the same operation and let's see how it works. First thing is, I have to find the digits of these numbers and push into this stack. So 1231, remainder is 1, push 1 to stack, top is 0, then divided by 10 it is 123, find the mod, remainder is 3, push it to stack, top is 1, divide this number by 10, it's 12, remainder is 2, push 2 to stack, so top is this element, divide again here by 10, it becomes 1, remainder is 1, push 1 to stack, now divide 1 by 10, the quotient is 0, that means n is greater than 0 is false, so stop the loop here. We found the digits 1, 2, 3, 1 and we have pushed it to the stack 1, 2, 3, 1. So we have pushed it to the stack. Of course, first we pushed this, then this, that is the digit at the units place, then the digit at the 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place and so on. So we have pushed 1, 3, 2, 1. Now we have to check whether it's a palindrome. Let's see by popping it. So what happens here is, again, top is this, 1, 2, 3, 1 is my number. We find the remainder is 1, pop the element. On top of stack we have 1 is equal to 1 is true, that means the number may be a palindrome. 1 is popped from stack. Divide this number by 10, it is 1, 2, 3, find the remainder 3, pop from stack. On top of stack we have 2, I pop the element 2, compare it with 3, these two are not equal, this you can stop the further iterations of the loop. 2 is not matching with 3, that means the number is not a palindrome. This is how we can test whether a given number is a palindrome or not using a stack. Now let's see the C function, that is, let us write the C function for performing the same.